and welcome back to the vlog and welcome to the first game of the IBL 2026 season. Hari ini kita ngeliput 2 game, tapi our first stop kita ngeliput Satya Wacana Salatiga melawan Tangerang Hawks. Ini kayak pertama kali loh gua ngeliput SWS loh untuk vlog IBL gua. So I'm very excited though untuk lihat their young squad. But obviously the main focus hari ini adalah debutnya Yesaya Saudale bersama Tangerang Hawks. Kita akan lihat nih kira-kira dia akan nyetak berapa poin ya hari ini. And of course gue juga pengen nonton lah salah satu idola baru gue yaitu Raden Natanik. So this should be a fun head to head sih antara kedua guard ini. And of course kalian semua juga pasti penasaran ya dengan performa para pemain asing dari kedua tim ini. So it should be fun. Oh my god, I cannot wait sih, gue benar-benar happy banget sih akhirnya IBL is back. So tunggu terus liputan-liputan gue. And once again terima kasih banyak guys sudah menonton vlog kali ini. Pastikan kalian like dan juga nonton secara full ya guys. Jangan lupa untuk klik hype. Please hype this video guys. And thank you guys for watching and enjoy the vlog guys. Ini duet backcourt ngeri sih. Ini gue pengen nonton si dua backcourt ini sih, Kevin and Raden. Asik sih nih.
이그를 잡힙니다.
And timeout from Satya Wacana Salatiga.
If I remember what it is. Let's see what I can do for you. All right.
JC, just talk about the win, man. What stood out for you, man?
It was a good first win. I think we're the first game of the whole league.
Yeah.
So everyone was pretty excited about that. Everyone, I feel like, was nervous the first 5 minutes of the game. But we played a good, tough team. And it always feels good to get a W because this league, it's tough to get a W. So if you can get the first one, I think it helps us a lot with confidence.
Did you get frustrated? Because I know you did not follow the form in the first half.
Right.
Why did you stay calm, man?
Nah, I mean, yeah. I mean, I'm just trying to get rhythm. Trying to get a rhythm, trying to get used to the league, used to the court. I couldn't find a shot in the first half, but my team held me down and I was able to finish strong. Man, we got a W, that's all that matters. Right.
9 assists though.
Right.
Something that you want to build on that?
No, for sure. I mean, I've always been a scorer everywhere I've been. But the problem is I always only average a few assists. But this year, I feel like we got two talented imports with Josh Cunningham and Franca. So I think my scoring will come, but I have to get those guys involved first.
I was Franca, like 32 and 14, I think.
Nah, Franca's a beast, man. So that's why he's going to give me most of the assists. And that's my goal, is just to feed him, feed Josh, feed Godwin and some of the players. Just try to be an all-around player and not worry about scoring.
I saw you and Godwin and Tufan had some conversation at the bench at the end. What were you trying to do?
I was pretty much telling him, with me being aggression, I'm going to always draw two defenders. And if he be ready to shoot, I promise I'm going to find them. And me and him have that connection through practice and through a few of those scrimmages. So I'm looking forward to playing with these guys all year.
Tomorrow, big game against Hatchemuda. What do you know about that team?
I don't know anything. You know what I mean? My first time in the league. I'll watch film tonight on them. but I don't know anybody on this league, so I'll be looking forward to see the historical club.
It's gonna be fun.
Yes, sir.
JC.
No
Appreciate
problem,
you,
brother.
man.
Yes, sir.
Just try to do my best, and then tonight it works. I'm gonna have bad days. I'm gonna have way better days off. So it's just about to keep working, keep positive, and keep working as a team. Though it's not just about me; it's about Hawks. So today was me, tomorrow gonna be another one. It can't be me, but it's not about that. You know what I'm saying? It's about the team together, the unity, and then everything that we're going through, and then everything that we're working to get better.
And how do you feel about tomorrow game?
I'm feeling tired. I ain't gonna lie. I'm feeling really tired, but it's nothing that I'm not used to do. I already play a lot of championships that we have back to back. So now it's time to do an ice bath and then be ready for tomorrow.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
Were you trying to set the tone earlier today? Because you had 34 and 12.
Yeah, I mean it wasn't me. You know what I'm saying? It was my team. It was I'm a good finisher. I'm not somebody that's gonna take the rebound and bring the ball and then do everything. I'm just somebody that if you give me the ball in the right position, I can do better. You know what I'm saying? So it was about the team, find me in good position, believe in me at any time. Like the last shot that I had for 3, Josh just gave me the ball and then told me like, yo, shoot it, because he know who I am, though. So it's about that. So in the games, we're gonna have a lot of opportunity like this for anybody, like for everybody. So we gotta just keep positive and work to be good as a team.
What stood out to you though in the first game?
Huh?
What stood out for you in the first game?
I mean, I don't think a lot about nothing now. You know what I'm saying? Because tomorrow we got another one. So it's more about like reset. Think about tomorrow. Tomorrow is another game. It's a different game. It's gonna be tougher than today's game. So we gotta be ready. That's the thing.
Is there any pressure that got lifted after the first win?
Bro, I'm from favela, bro. There's no pressure. Sorry.
Alright, obrigado. Obrigado, man. Appreciate you, man. Timo, welcome back. Boleh diceritain dulu nggak sih gimana caranya bisa dapat kesempatan sama Satya Wacana?
Kesempatannya itu cukup lucu. Sebenarnya tuh saya di call itu Hamin 2.
Hamin 2.
Hamin 2.
Sebelum apa? Hamin 2 apa?
Sebelum pembagian roster.
Oke.
Nah itu saya tuh udah kepikiran, kayaknya bakal off lagi nih. Karena kan emang belum ketemu yang cocok dan rupanya Satya Wacana tuh setelah call everything's good.
Oke.
And then I'm here.
Apa pitch-nya mereka tuh apa? Apa yang diharapin sama mereka dari Timo?
Yang pastinya tuh kebetulan mereka tuh emang butuh posisi point guard karena posisi point guard mereka tuh cedera kebetulan musim ini. Dan emang kebetulan Coach Jerry itu juga perlu point guard yang cukup berpengalaman dan ngerti cara main. And that's why I'm here.
Setahun terakhir, jadi gimana cara bisa stay in shape? Lihat tangannya bisa kering banget ya?
Kemarin tuh satu musim kemarin full, kebetulan saya tuh nggak berdiam diri, kebetulan belajar gimana cara latihan performance training dan kebetulan saya juga udah sangat bersyukur saya tuh ada kontekan sama trainer NBA.
Sama trainer NBA? Siapa namanya?
SNC Fred Crawford.
Oke, itu apa kolaborasinya sama dia?
Jadi dia tuh private SNC-nya si NBA player ini. Dan jadi kayak semua programnya tuh emang bareng dia private gitu. Jadi supaya dia tetap in shape, apa yang dia butuhin, kakinya mana yang cedera dan semua itulah.
Tadi game pertama main menit banyak loh. Ngap nggak?
Cukup sedikit, tapi I will get used to it.
Cukup sedikit,
tapi
soalnya tadi lihat dipijit dulu soalnya di bench.
Itu hampir kram.
Hampir kram?
Sedikit.
Oke, tapi karena ini ada pemain muda boleh namanya Raden Natanik, apakah juga Timo disuruh harus jadi mentor untuk Natanik mungkin?
Yeah, for sure. Jadi role gua di sini itu bukan cuma di lapangan, tapi gua juga pengen nge-expose nge-expose bakat-bakatnya pemain muda di sini karena gua ngerasa tuh tim ini tuh talentnya tuh banyak banget. Cuman emang menurut gua tuh secara mentally banyak yang harus kita kerjain.
Sayang banget gua hari ini mau datang melihat Timo, Nathan, Kevin main bareng bertiga. Itu trionya keren loh.
Ya, panjang-panjang semua kan?
Iya, itu keren banget sih. Tapi welcome back, happy to see you back, man.
Thank you.
About this team, this is a very young team. Are you like acting as a mentor as well for the other guys?
Yeah, for sure. It's a young team. These guys, they're gonna learn a lot from me and Serhi and Timo. We're the oldest on the team, and whenever we get a chance to teach them and encourage them to play hard, that's what we're gonna do.
What was your reaction when you get the opportunity to play out here in Indonesia?
Actually, I was excited because I was at home. I haven't played basketball for a while. I was waiting on a contract, and you know, they gave me the opportunity to come to Indonesia. I've never been to Asia in my life, and so this is a great opportunity. I love it out here. And
What was your first impression though?
the city was just like amazing. Like, it was different from back home. You wouldn't expect what Asia and Indonesia looks like, but it's beautiful.
Where is home for you? Where is home for you?
Home is Canada.
Cali?
Canada.
Oh, Canada.
Yeah.
Okay, which city?
Outside Toronto, Burlington.
Okay, not Ottawa.
Nah, not Ottawa as far.
It's too far away.
Yeah.
Okay, but obviously you get the connection.
Yeah.
I saw the Instagram photo with Shea Gilgeous-Alexander. Can you just describe your relationship with Shea?
Oh, that's my brother. I've known him since 8th grade, and we played AAU together. And you know, that relationship has grown and built since the AAU days.
And he invited you to the final?
Yeah, I mean, that's my brother.
How is that feeling though, you know, sharing that moment, special moment, winning the championship with him?
I mean, it was a special moment seeing my brother win the championship, get MVP, get all those accolades. It was really special, and I you know, I'm rooting for him this year.
You know, he's been here before, right?
He's been in Asia?
Indonesia.
He's been here?
Jakarta.
When?
FIBA World Cup.
FIBA, yes, he was here. Yes, he was here.
Yeah.
I remember, yeah.
You should ask him for some spot, man, for some good
for
spot.
sure.
Alright, Kev, thank you so much, man. Good luck this season, man. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bocil-bocil iya saya nih. Congratulations, yes.
Thank you ya.
First game gimana?
Ya agak susah sih. Maksudnya kayak adjust apalagi IBL ya, maksudnya masih nyari game yang touch game itu loh. Terus ya mungkin banyak pikiran juga, kayak banyak pikiran.
Banyak pikiran apa?
Bukan di basket.
Oh, bukan di basket. Tapi congratulations dulu.
Yeah, thank you.
Girl dad.
Asik.
Asik.
Thank you ya. Time out geng, abis ini Koroki masih ke Dewa ya?
Iya kok.
Pokoknya keep supporting Koroki, makasih ya udah support basket Indonesia terus.
Ntar dulu dong, komentar lu Franka 32 poin 14 ribu.
Gila sih, maksudnya first game pasti kan asing-asing, sebenarnya kan banyak yang adjustment kan. Cuman menurut aku sih dia got big size, terus dapat ada touch-nya juga. Cuman the real touch is tomorrow.
Tomorrow ya?
Ya tomorrow kayak SSM kan.
Komentarnya apa?
Temu George lagi.
Iya, itu kan temu coach.
Temu George lagi, terus kayak ya mungkin fokusnya sekarang ke recovery dulu sih. Buat game besok, it's gonna be a great match.
Belum ada DM atau WhatsApp Coach George?
Udah teleponan.
Udah teleponan.
Dia bilang, ya saya, I know your point guard, and then I watch your video, and I don't know what your play. I don't know, your sign just like this. I don't know, your crazy point guard.
Besok match-up sama Yuda beneran nih,
Iya.
besok lawan Yuda nih.
Iya, selalu first game tuh match up Yuda terus deh. Gue pindah tim, Yuda lagi.
Iya.
Tapi bakal seru sih.
Bakal seru ya. Tapi lu kan yang expect lu banyak lah, tinggi lah ekspektasinya ke lu semua. Tapi kalau lu menang udah game 1 ini ada pressure yang lu kayak akhirnya udah menang game 1 lah gitu.
Sebenarnya kalau ekspektasi pasti dari tahun ke tahun masih ekspektasinya
Iya.
tetap sama ya. Cuman kayak sekarang tuh lebih ke pressure-nya adalah gimana bikin tim Hawks tuh lebih klop lagi itu sih. Apalagi aku sebagai point guard, terus jadi kayak gimana cara handle teman-teman dan terutama asing sih. Mungkin asing nggak terlalu aku worries ya, tiga-tiganya oke lah. Cuman lebih ke lokal gimana cara solidnya sih, game by day.
Tapi Cila asik ya, 9 asis
Asik,
loh.
asik deh. Oke lah dia.
Oke lah ya.
Iya, Josh sih lebih tenang. Gue baru lihat Josh ngedang loh. Gue nggak pernah lihat dia ngedang.
Baru pertama kali.
Seru semua sih. Thank you Koroki ya.
Thank you ya, sukses ya.
Thank you.
Besok.
Bye.
Good luck. Masa sih?
So Rocky,
Congratulations.
thank you.
First game,
First game,
2 3-point shots.
2 3-pointers, not bad. I could have had 9 points, but I'm just glad I was able to do good today because now I get the opportunity to play against Satya Muda. So I just want to constantly show coach that I'm capable of playing because I believe I can play this year. I don't care that I'm a rookie, but I believe I can hoop. That's all it is. I want to play.
How did you feel though after your first game, man?
I felt good, but I always knew I could do this. Like, I know arrogant stuff. I knew I could play like this. I just want to see how I can be against like Delaware United, Satya Muda. I want to test myself. That's what I truly want to be.
Oh, this is gonna be fun though. You had some history with SM too.
Yeah.
But how do you feel like, you know, playing alongside the imports as well today, man?
Oh, I love the imports because I'm from America. So like when the imports came in, they made it easier for me to kind of, you know, feel more relaxed and just kick it with the guys because it's kind of like I'm kind of in a position of Arki Wisnu where he first came in. It's kind of hard a little bit to bond with the locals, but I'm cool with everyone. I'm so grateful to be in this country.
because in America I kind of dealt with a lot of problems. So now being in here, I'm with a great group of guys.
How's the adjustment though, living in Indonesia? I know you live in the States almost all your life.
Yeah, the adjustment was tough in the beginning because my character wasn't really good. So I had to work on my character. For 8 months, I didn't play basketball. I was living in Bogor, where I just had to work on my mental health and just work on becoming a better person. And then the past 5 months, I've been able to resume basketball again. So I'm just trying to get back to where I started.
Wow, I didn't even know that story.
Yeah, it's tough.
Okay, alright man. Happy to see you on the court, man.
Thank
And
you,
I'll
thank
see you
you.
tomorrow. Good
Thank you,
luck. Coach, hari ini menang 26 poin di game pertama. Apa yang coach lihat tadi harus evaluasi apa yang coach paling pertama lihat lah di game kali ini?
Paling utama ya turnover ya, kita perbaiki. Hari ini turnover terlalu banyak, 19 turnover. Ya, itu tinggi ya. Karena ya memang Franka baru main dengan tim baru hari ini ya. Sebelumnya scrimmage nggak pernah main dengan tim, makanya baru pertama main, makanya chemistry-nya masih sedikit belum dapat. Saya harapkan turnover kita perbaiki. Besok kita nggak boleh turnover tinggi, apalagi dengan bermain dengan lawan tim SM, sekelas SM kita nggak boleh turnover tinggi. Jadi kita perbaiki dan field goal kita naikin lagi.
Game pertama sama Hawks, tapi langsung 32 poin, 14 rebound, coach. Itu gimana coach tadi melihat performanya Franka hari ini?
Ya, saya cukup puas ya. Saya juga sedikit campaign nunggu dia lama ya, karena dia datang telat, nunggu dia main di Argentina selesai. Setelah selesai baru datang di akhir bulan Desember. Tapi nunggu lama, tapi hasilnya cukup puas hari ini ya, sesuai dengan ekspektasi yang saya mau.
Ini kan pertama kali ngelatih 3 asing di lapangan. Gimana coach hari ini?
Emang saya cuma mau bilang lokal ya, lu harus siap mini play-nya nggak akan banyak karena pasti ya 3 asing di lapangan. Cuma saya juga tidak terlalu tergantung asing, saya akan rotasi juga karena mereka juga butuh rotasi. Dan terutama biar mereka tetap healthy ya, karena season masih panjang ya. Kita kalau paksain, kalau cedera satu pasti akan itu masalah buat tim. Makanya gimana caranya supaya mereka bertiga import tetap healthy.
Tapi hari ini pemain lokalnya defense-nya oke ya.
Iya.
Kalau nggak salah Giselle 4 steals, lalu juga Winston ada steal. Kalau menurut Coach Joko sendiri, gimana performanya pemain-pemain lokal hari ini?
Saya tugaskan mereka untuk defend dulu. Start the game, loko harus defend bagus. Ya. Kita loko defend bagus, kita bisa transisi atau isi poin dari transisi, itu yang saya tekankan mereka. Makanya jangan mikir poin dulu, mikir defend dulu. Gitu.
Coach Joko kaget nggak Cila 9 assist?
Sebenarnya dia bisa tadi almost double turnover aja, tapi so far saya senang Sila share the ball. Semua import kita mau share the ball, Josh also share the ball. Itu yang saya pengen ya, saya tekankan play as team, nggak hanya individual.
Kalau Josh itu apa harapan Coach Joko dari Josh Cunningham?
Josh dia paling berat sebenarnya tugas dia play inside outside. Jadi saat Franka nggak ada dia harus play inside. Saat Franka ada dia harus outside. Biasa tugas dia berat, tapi so far saya puas. Dia juga bantu rebound juga. Saya minta tuh hustle rebound, sama saat Franka di dalam ya dia harus shooting outside-nya lebih berani lagi. Gitu.
Melihat SM besok coach, karena ada Yuda, ada Pandu, Dame dihitung lokal. Menurut Coach Joko kekuatannya SM sekarang ini gimana?
Ya SM sekarang lebih kuat, ya lebih kuat dari season kemarin ya. Apalagi dia ditambah Dame dihitung lokal ya, itu tambahan sendiri buat mereka dengan 3 asing dengan Dame. Tapi semua bisa terjadi ya. Yang penting kita fight ya, kita perbaiki hari ini, kita fight besok. Ya game pertama pasti nggak akan mudah ya. Game pertama kita udah game kedua ada adjustment ya. SM baru game pertama ya. Saya harapkan anak-anak fight aja. Fight aja besok, nggak usah takut, lebih enjoy mainnya gitu aja.
Oke, thank you coach, sukses besok ya.
Okay.
Please join my channel, guys.